Bitcoin is at a critical crossroads, and a massive move is brewing right now. Looking at the current market structure on this 1-hour chart, Bitcoin is in a clear, strong, bullish trend. We have seen consistent higher highs and higher lows with multiple break of structure confirmations, proving that buyers are still firmly in control of the trend. However, price is now pausing in a distribution or re-accumulation consolidation phase, trapped between key supply and demand zones. This indicates a buildup of energy. This compression usually leads to an explosive expansion in either direction. On the upper side, we have a major supply zone between $75,500 and $76,000. This is a high-probability stop-hunt area where institutional liquidity is resting. On the downside, the immediate demand at $73,800 is our line in the sand. As long as price stays above this level, our overall bias remains strictly bullish for the short term. If we hold this $73,800 support, expect a move to sweep the liquidity above $76,000, potentially reaching targets at $77,500 and eventually $79,000. However, if we see a strong close below $73,800, the short-term structure shifts bearish. This would likely trigger a deeper pullback toward the $71,000 mid-demand zone, or even the major institutional accumulation base at $68,000. For a smart trade entry, watch for bullish confirmation at the current support or a clean breakout and retest above the $76,000 handle. Be wary of a fake breakout designed to trap early buyers before the real move begins. Remember to manage your risk and stay disciplined while waiting for the market to trigger your levels. Always remember to trade what you actually see, not what you think. Please watch the full video. Please follow for more updates, as the next analysis is coming very soon.